Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. 7 ways to earn money by playing games. So make sure to watch the full video. Is it possible to get paid to play games? Yes, without a doubt is the response. With billions of gamers and tens of thousands of workers, the worldwide video game sector is a multi-billion-dollar industry. There are numerous home-based employment opportunities in this big economic sector. But let's start by focusing on the bottom line. How much money can be made playing video games? How much cash can you earn from playing video games? Consider the magnitude of the video game business to get a sense of the profit possibilities in gaming. Globally, roughly 2 out of every 5 people play video games, and the number of players is expected to increase from 2.95 billion in 2022 to 3.07 billion by 2023, according to a report by game market research company Newzoo. According to a study by market research company Grandview Research, the worldwide video game market was estimated to be worth $195.65 billion in 2021 and is projected to rise at a CAGR of 12.9% from 2022 to 2030. According to industry data examined by market research company IBISWorld, this enormous business employed close to 300,000 people in 2020. Some gaming-related income opportunities call for you to be an accomplished player or game producer. Others merely need a passion for gaming and a willingness to put in the effort. On our list of the top 10 ways to earn money through gaming. 7. Development of video games. Another way to earn money playing games is to work as a game developer if you have the drive and skills necessary. Game developers take the ideas behind games and turn them into computer code that can be used to play games. Additionally, they test the games. Before or during the programming phase, some developers might also help to develop creative game concepts. Game developers must be knowledgeable in pertinent programming languages like C++, C#, JavaScript, and Python. Online programming lessons are available on Fiverr to help you. 6. Live streaming. You can earn money by live streaming yourself playing if you're competent at gaming or if you have a charismatic personality. You might be wondering why anyone would want to see me play or pay me to play at this point. People enjoy observing others play video games for a variety of reasons, including to learn from a more experienced player's advice, to observe superb gameplay, to play music while listening to someone who provides engaging narration, in order to interact with other players in the gaming community who are online. People enjoy watching others play video games, which opens up a variety of opportunities for making money from streaming gaming live streams. Viewers can donate to shows to show their gratitude for quality or entertaining performances. Enthusiastic viewers can pay for subscriptions. Special live stream events may require attendees to purchase tickets. Gaming companies may fund players that draw interest to their titles. Players with significant followings may get paid by advertisers. Partners in affiliate marketing may charge commissions for promoting their items. Well-known gamers can create and market their own goods. You must be captivating enough for viewers to want to watch you play in order to earn money from live streaming. Being an excellent player is the easiest method to get attention, but if you're amusing or have a good sense of humor while playing, people might still watch you even if you're not the best. Twitch Marketplace. Fiverr. A proper live streaming platform is also required. Your best choices are as follows. Twitch. Gaming on YouTube. Using Facebook. DLive. You may find Twitch services on Fiverr to assist you with chores like making overlays, emotes, and logos to improve the aesthetic attractiveness of your streams. 5. Producing game guides for online video. Another option to make money from gaming is to create instructions for video games and post them on websites like YouTube. You'll need equipment like a camera, microphone, and video editing software in addition to whatever you use to play video games, whether they are on a console or PC, to successfully use this way of making money from gaming. Making video instructions will be necessary as a result of taking screenshots of your gameplay. When editing your raw video footage, use video editing software. Addition of animation, music, and text effects. Sharing and putting up videos. If you need assistance producing videos, Fiverr offers professional YouTube promotion services and access to video editing services. Discover services for editing video games. 4. Make gaming how-to guides for your website. Gaming guides can be sold both in written and video form. One choice is to market written game guides on your website. These can be sold separately or along with videos. What subjects should a written guide for a video game cover? Consider the following subjects. Walkthroughs that provide players with basic information about their actions, including where they go, what they do, what enemies they encounter, what rewards they receive, and what various abilities and items do. The fundamentals of gameplay, including the platforms you can use, the system requirements, and how to play alone versus with others. Game feature instructions. Advanced play suggestions and techniques. Options for growth. Locate a blog writer you can hire. Your content can be made available for download as an ebook or on pages or posts that are password protected on your website. Offering some free content as a perk for purchasing your premium content is one form of promotion. Free tutorials are one option, but you can also monetize your website by using affiliate marketing or advertising. You must create and advertise your website in order to implement this method of gaming income. Fiverr provides web development services if you need assistance building a website. 3. Providing game coaching advice. Becoming a video game coach is another way to earn money while sharing your gaming knowledge. Clients who work with video game coaches can play more effectively. Game coaches could offer the following services: reviewing video game replays and providing analysis, delivering advice via tactics, advice, and practice exercises, watching live play. Game coaches may offer services one-on-one or in a group coaching setting, like a webinar or online workshop. You can provide game coaching services to any level of player, from a novice to a competitor in a tournament, depending on your level of expertise. Your ability to charge more will increase along with the depth of insight you can provide. You must possess the following credentials in order to work as a game coach. Playing background. Current understanding of gameplay and versions. Teaching abilities, such as the capacity to communicate instructions, convey player behavior, respond to inquiries, and assess progress. If you want to instruct video games in a formal setting, like a university, you might need to obtain a teaching credential or meet other requirements. Several marketing techniques can be used to find students, such as creating a website with a blog that offers instructions, establishing a YouTube channel with a free coaching sample section, being a coach on a website like Gamer Sensei, promoting on Fiverr game coaching services. Some of the other monetization strategies we've discussed here can be combined well with coaching. For instance, if you already have a live stream following or have been providing your followers with video guides, you can offer coaching services to them. 2. Choosing to write about video games. You could become a game journalist and earn money if you enjoy playing video games and are also a good writer. A gaming journalist may be compensated for writing game evaluations, publishing gaming news, speaking with representatives of the video game industry, covering events in the video game sector. You must have excellent writing abilities before you can enter the field of game journalism. Although proving your writing skills is more important than having a degree in journalism or a related field, it can be helpful. Take into account starting a blog to gain experience and create a portfolio you can show editors. While you are developing your credentials, you can monetize your blog using strategies like advertising and affiliate marketing. Additionally, you're not required to limit your writing to video games. You may have a platform to start your career in game journalism if you can gain writing experience by blogging about other subjects. Once you have some writing experience under your belt, you can start looking for opportunities to write for others as a freelancer or to find employment. Opportunities can be sought out by developing article ideas to pitch and studying the submission requirements of video game websites you want to write for, connecting with other writers, editors, and contacts in the gaming industry via social media and industry events. If you can establish a niche specialty, you might find it simpler to get started. Consider concentrating on writing about a particular game or company. 1. Playtesting video games. Playtesters give video game publishers feedback on how simple and fun a game is to play. By doing this, game developers can find problems that hurt user experience and fix them to improve gameplay. Playtesters can be unpaid volunteers, independent contractors, or paid staff. You must have a strong work ethic, which includes the capacity to adhere to instructions, meet deadlines, and convey feedback, and a passion for gaming to succeed as a playtester. You can search for playtester jobs in classified ads, or you can take the initiative and contact video game publishers directly to inquire about playtester opportunities. Create a cover letter and resume that highlight your background in gaming and your gaming experience, particularly any prior playtesting experience. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comment section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.